Hello everyone and welcome to the Pineville Classic Truck Parade. Leading the parade is the Pinewood Police Department Utility 44. Behind them is a 1979 Ford F-150. Coming now is a switchback pickup and a 1990 Chevy. Coming now is a Toyota airport van and a 1975 Chevy. Coming now is Mega Duty. Behind that is a 1999 Chevy Silverado. Coming now is an International tractor and a 1997 Chevy Tahoe. Behind that is a heavy-duty truck, a 1997 Ford F-150. Coming now is a Diora 2. Behind that is a funny car drag truck and a 1999 Chevy Silverado 4x4.